With your complete set of Invisalign aligners, you will also receive Chewies, cleaning tablets, along with a travel toothbrush and toothpaste. Invisalign offers the convenience of virtual appointments where you submit weekly photos that go directly to our specialized virtual team. An add-on feature that we provide is the V Pro. With 5 minutes of daily use, you can accelerate your treatment. If interested, please contact our treatment coordinator. If an attachment happens to come off, don't worry. As long as your tray fits in that area, continue on as normal. In case you lose or break an aligner, go on to your next tray. If it fits, continue with treatment as normal. What to do if a tray doesn't fit? Please confirm that you're wearing your previous tray for the recommended 20 to 22 hours a day. If not, continue wearing it for a few extra days before advancing to the next tray. If the new tray still does not fit, use Chewies in the tight areas to see if you can help seat the aligners further down onto your teeth.